You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, rear spoiler, turbocharged, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.